Thread metric inserts and repair kits are essential tools for repairing damaged threads on a variety of materials. There are many products available to choose thread metric inserts and repair kits, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best thread metric inserts and repair kits from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Orion MotorTech Thread Repair Kit. This OMT repair kit by Orion MotorTech is a 304-piece thread repair kit that includes everything you need to restore stripped or damaged internal threads. Made of quality steel, each tool in this kit is heat-treated for durability and strength. The kit comes with drill bits, screw taps, wire thread inserts, and installation and tang break-off tools in the 5 most commonly used SAE and metric sizes. The 135 degrees drill bits quickly create room for the installation tools to smoothly fit the inserts, while the break-off tools clean things up for use. With its convenient carrying case, this kit is easy to transport and store between jobs. Number 2. AKM 338 PC Thread Repair Kit. The AKM 261 PC Thread Repair Kit is a versatile and comprehensive set that is perfect for repairing or replacing damaged or stripped internal screw threads. With a total of 261 pieces including insert installations, wire thread inserts, twist drill bits, thread taps, and lug breaking tools, this kit is suitable for engine repair and other automotive applications. It comes with a convenient carrying case, making it easy to collect and place the tools, and all the tools are made according to professional standards. With detailed instructions included, this kit creates stronger internal thread in soft materials, saving you time and money in the long run. Number 3. 314 PCS Thread Repair Kit. The CXBRO Thread Repair Kit offers a complete solution for fixing damaged threads with its 314 pieces designed for both metric and SAE sizes. This kit includes a variety of helicoils that allow you to repair threads on different bolts and screws, making it incredibly versatile. Constructed from heavy-duty steel, the materials ensure long-lasting durability and resistance to corrosion. Additionally, the convenient carrying case keeps everything organized, allowing you to quickly find the tools you need for any repair job. Number 4. Colvoy Helicoil Thread Repair Kit. The Colvoy Thread Repair Kit is a versatile solution for restoring stripped or damaged threads. It accommodates various SAE and metric sizes, making it perfect for diverse applications. With a straightforward 3-step process, drill, tap, and install, you can quickly repair threads without hassle. The high-speed steel drill bits and taps ensure durability and efficient performance, while the included installation tools make the process even easier. This kit not only saves you time, but also helps you achieve reliable and strong repairs on soft metals. Number 5. Premium 130 One-Piece Metric Helicoil Thread Repair Kit. The Marvellity Thread Repair Kit offers a comprehensive 131-piece set that meets all your thread repair needs. It includes commonly used metric sizes, such as M5 to M12, ensuring you have the right tools for various applications. The full set comes with everything necessary for rethreading, including installation tools and drill bits, making it convenient for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Its user-friendly design allows you to tackle repairs with confidence, while the durable materials guarantee long-lasting performance, so you can rely on this kit for future projects.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.